Alright, so hello everyone, so Leon here once again, and today we will be exploring the world of reflection. Now let's head straight into the video. So it says we define reflection as a transformation, so reflection is another transformation, in which the object turns about a line called the mirror line. So just like the word reflection, when you hear the word reflection, you think about looking in a mirror. So just like looking in the mirror, when you stand in front of a mirror and look in the mirror, you are called the object, and the thing that you see in the mirror, that is called the image. So that is the whole idea about reflection. Now in this example, we have the object here, and this line is called the mirror line. We treat it as a mirror, and this here is the reflection of the object. The same distance between here to here, that is the same distance from here to here. All right, the same distance from between here and the mirror line, that is the same distance between these two. So that is the whole gist about reflection. So let's see what else we have here. Let's look at an example, simple example. So example says a line segment PQ with P being 1, 2 and Q being 3, 4 is reflected in the x-axis. Perform this reflection and state the coordinates of the image of P and Q under the reflection. So I already have a Cartesian plane here, so let me put in my x-axis. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So the question says we have the coordinates, the line segment PQ. So let's plot that line segment. So we know PQ is 1, 2. So this will be 1 across, 2 up. And we call this P. And Q will be 3 across, 4 up. So 3 across, 4 up. So that would be here. And this would be Q. And this line segment just means we just draw a line to connect P and Q. So that is a line segment PQ. And it says it is reflected on the x-axis. So we know this is the x-axis. So this x-axis will be treated as the mirror line. That is where the reflection will occur. So to perform this reflection, we simply just count down from P to the mirror line, which is the x-axis. And then the same distance, the same amount of times that we count, the same amount of time we got to count out. So we see we got to move 1, 2. So we move 1, 2 times to reach the x-axis, which is the mirror line. And then we just move 1, 2 out again. So this would be the point P prime, which is the image of the point P. And we do the same thing for point Q. We count and go to the x-axis, which is the mirror line. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So because you count 4 times out in, we got to count 4 times out. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4 from the mirror line. So that would be here, and this would be Q prime. And then we connect the point P prime and Q prime, and this will be the reflection of PQ under the about the x-axis. And that is as simple as that. Right, if you wanted to perform this here about the y-axis, reflection of this around the y-axis, we just count across to the y-axis. This would be 1. So we count and go to the y-axis. Since you count 1 time, we got to count 1 time, go out. So this would be 1 here, and this would be P prime again. Very good. And then the same thing for Q. We count 1, 2, 3. And then we count 1, 2, 3 and go out. So this will be here. And this will be the reflection of PQ about the y-axis. Alright, and that is as simple as that. So let's see what else we have here. So the next thing you want to look at is describing a reflection. Now in the exam, they will ask you to describe the transformation that occurs. And of course, we're looking at reflection. So this would be simple to identify that it's a reflection. So let's look at how we describe a reflection. So it says we state the position of the mirror line. So we have to find the mirror line. That is an important component of describing a reflection. And this is a straight line. It always has to be a straight line. Now this line can be vertical, horizontal, or even slanted. So if you know to complete the equation of a straight line, this would be very simple. So that is how let's look at an example. So the instruction says describe the following transformation below. So we know we're looking at reflection, so that would be simple. So it's a reflection, and as the instruction, as the thing said just now, when we define a reflection, we have to get the mirror line. So we see this is the mirror line. They already gave us this mirror line. Normally we have to find it. So to describe this, this is the object and this is the image. We can say, let's see, the mirror line would be what? This is the line y equal 2. So to describe this, we can say the object ABC undergoes a reflection about the line, which is the mirror line, y equal 2. And that is how we describe reflection.